Allison. I am your local decluttering expert and professional organizer, and I am hosting the ultimate masterclass on how to declutter, organize, stage, and clean your home. And best of all, this is for free. Why are you joining me in this? Because getting and staying organized, decluttering the stuff that doesn't support you in your life, in your goals, in your dreams, you're going to learn how to lower your stress, lower your anxiety, not feel so overwhelmed. You'll help reduce depression while increasing productivity levels, energy levels, and best of all, you're going to save time and money. But you know what? You're doing this because you're worth it and you want to feel like you are in control of your home and your life. So I can't wait to see you there. Sign up today or join me on December 1st.